Part 2. Now we'll look at who we are speaking to, who is reading your website and blogs or watching your videos. Content strategist Rand Fishkin describes 4 audiences your content needs to reach. Firstly, there are your current clients, people who have used your services before. Then your potential clients. This is often the focus in marketing, to target the people who need your services who may not have heard of you or engaged you before. But Fishkin also recommends, in order to get wider brand awareness, you also need to create content for potential amplifiers. That's journalists and media, writers and bloggers, social amplifiers. And fourth, the broader community. So people who consume content in your sector, people who may be influential due to their networks. These last 2 audiences, amplifiers and the broader community, are valuable as they will potentially give your content and therefore your brand greater reach and visibility so that you reach audiences number 1 and number 2. Fishkin writes, if you want to earn amplification, the kind you'll need to build a true content flywheel, you need to appeal to an audience that has both the ability to amplify and channels on which to spread the word. The customer journey, also called the sales funnel, is a framework to describe how a prospective client converts from stranger to lead to convert. This framework lets you review how your digital assets, content types, and content channels support this journey so that clients, number 1, find you, number 2, engage with your content, and number 3, email, call, or sign up to your newsletter, and for some, become a paying client. Content plays a critical role at every step of the customer journey. Your website and outreach channels work 7 days a week to convince prospective and existing customers the value you provide. Have at least 2 hours worth of content for prospective clients to engage with. By the time they speak with you, they will have a good understanding of what you do and how you do it. That is, they will be well qualified leads. The customer journey is broken down into 4 approximate stages. Stage 1 is discovery. This is the early stage of the sales funnel when a prospective client is in research mode. They may not yet be aware of your company, but if you distribute a breadcrumb trail of content, the right information in the right place, prospective clients will find you. Stage 2 of the journey is consideration, or the comparison stage. At the consideration stage, a prospective client builds a short list of options. They compare and evaluate company A, B, and C. Stage 3 is decision, when they make a selection. At this stage in the journey, your prospective client knows you can solve their problems, they like your approach, and they're ready to engage. Testimonials and calls to action are the kind of content that inspire and invite action. You might also invite readers to subscribe to your monthly email, to book a call, to email or phone you, download a guide, or to attend an event. And the 4th stage, we call the advocate stage, so that's repeat clients. So if 80% of future sales indeed come from 20% of your current clients or their networks, then investing in content to service and support this group has huge advantages. Aim to add value over the long term for existing clients. And remember that this content will also have a place in the exploration discovery stage of the journey when you want to attract new leads. In this journey diagram, the discovery groups will be 100 to 1,000 times larger than the decision or advocate groups. So if you only ever target audiences ready to buy, you're missing out on earning wider brand awareness. Examples of content that support the discovery stage are awards listings and magazine features. Content that supports the consideration stage includes pages that describe your process. A process page explains what it is like to work with you, and it gives clients a behind-the-scenes look. Examples of content that support the decision stage of the journey are, of course, project case studies. These are the best validation of your capabilities and expertise, and also testimonials, as I mentioned earlier. And finally, examples of content that supports the advocate stage are thought leadership articles, which aim to educate your clients and help them stay ahead of the curve within their own industries.